Alright, and we're back here with another episode of It Was Too Long, so I left it out of the vlog. And we're going to start in Oberammergau today. Lynn took tons of footage of the city, which is amazing, with all the frescoes, or the German term, Luftelmalerei. I'm butchering it, I'll just put it on the screen. Frescoes is kind of what it translates to. In simple English, it's just a wall mural on a building or a home. And I mean, that's just one of the things they're famous for. They also do a play like once every 10 years, and they also are known for their woodwork. And so it is a picturesque town. Like, seriously, you cannot get any more fairy tale-ish than this town, I felt. Maybe more on that in a later video. But the town is amazing, and we went to all the different places. We did walk around the night before, too, when we were looking for dinner. So I do have some night shots that I put in the vlog. I guess I could just put them back up on here, too, to show. But really, we wanted to see it during the day. And so as we were walking around, it was really neat to see everything as it was intended, I feel, during the daylight hours. And Lynn captured all that. We even went to some of the harder places to get to, which I believe was the Hansel and Gretel house, or maybe it was the Pinocchio house. I'm not 100% sure, but the video will clearly show that. And we're just going to start here at our lodge or hotel or bed and breakfast, whatever you want to call it, where Lynn did a little room tour before we drove into the center of town and started touring around. But overall, it's just an amazing place, and really happy that we went there. I feel that Oberammergau might even be better than Neuschwanstein. Again, maybe more on Neuschwanstein in a later video, so we'll see. But anyhow, that's enough of me blabbing. Let's go ahead and get to the walk around.
So, on this cloudy, rainy day, let's take a look at what we got. We're here in Oberammergau. Rainy, but nothing bad. Those are rose. Guten Morgen. I believe last night I counted 38 steps. We're on the top floor. This is our room. 3 beds, as you see. There are some cups and whatnot. And we actually had a little, nook. Some sort of desk area. And then really fancy bathroom. So this place was nice, comfortable, really easy to go along around to this place. Check in later. Alright, so we're in the middle of Oberammergau, and let's take a look, finally in the daytime. This is a famous workshop, apparently. Postauto. They're all very nicely decorated. And then, what's kind of cool is over here. A neat fountain that was not turned on last night. It's funny, so when you go inside the shop, you're not allowed to take photos here. That's like Half Dome up in the over there. Schisser outlet store. Don't know why Mom wanted that, but okay. Here's a very cool fountain. This is the Christmas place. So they make all sorts of Christmas stuff. Advent calendars, angels. See, that's really cool. I totally, that's neat. I like that. So, I love you. This place isn't open until 10, but everything is Christmas themed. Ta-da! We're at a bakery, and I think we're gonna grab some things to eat before we go. Let's see what they've got. The Lear house. The Lear house. The Lear. The Lear. The Lear. Pretty much the same thing, just on the other side, I imagine. They make cuckoo clocks. Ooh, famous German cuckoo clocks. Oh, that's something new. There's wood carvings over there. This is quite the cemetery. Little animals painted on the side of that one. Open umbrellas. Oh, very pretty open umbrella. This is the Hansel and Gretel house. There's a really cute house with a bunch of little things on the balcony. And then here's the painted Hansel and Gretel house. Everything has religious allegory to it. Not that I have an issue with that, just very prominent. And there's even more over there.